To remove the Vidiq extension from your YouTube channel, go up to the extension symbol in your taskbar, click on it, select Manage Extensions. You will then be brought up to your extension Chrome interface, and where it says Vidiq Vision for YouTube, simply press Remove. You will have a pop-up message, remove yes, and you will have confirmation. There we go, it's done. And just to be sure, go back to YouTube, refresh YouTube, and then look at your extension bar, press it again, you will see that it's no longer there. And you need also to check, just in case, that is not present in YouTube in incognito window. Accept all, and you can see that there is nothing there. And this is how you do it. Ciao.